Standard 8, Subject General Science, Lesson number 3, Force and Pressure, Exercise. Question number 1. Write proper word in the blank space. A. The SI unit of force is dash dash, Dyne, Newton, Joule. Answer. The SI unit of force is Newton. B. The air pressure on our body is equal to dash dash pressure, atmospheric, sea bottom, space. Answer. The air pressure on our body is equal to atmospheric pressure. C. For a given object, the buoyant force in liquids of different dash dash is dash dash. The same density, different area. Answer. For a given object, the buoyant force in liquids of different density is the same. D. The SI unit of pressure is dash dash, Newton per meter cube, Newton per meter square, kilogram per meter square, Pascal per meter square. Answer. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Question number 2. Make a match. A group. 1. Fluid. 2. Blunt knife. 3. Sharp needle. 4. Relative density. 5. Hectopascal. B group. A. Higher pressure. B. Atmospheric pressure. C. Specific gravity. D. Lower pressure. E. Same pressure in all directions. Answer. Fluid, same pressure in all directions. Blunt knife, lower pressure. Sharp needle, higher pressure. Relative density, specific gravity. Hectopascal, atmospheric pressure. Question number 3. Answer the following questions in brief. A. A plastic cube is released in water. Will it sink or come to the surface of water? Answer. It will come to the surface of water. This is because its density is less than that of water. When it floats, the unbalanced force acting on it is 0. B. Why do the load carrying heavy vehicles have large number of wheels? Answer. The pressure produced by a given force depends on the area of the surface on which the force acts. The greater the surface area, the less is the pressure produced. Load carrying heavy vehicles have large number of wheels so that the load is distributed over large surface area of the wheels in contact with the road. Hence, the pressure decreases and the tires do not burst. C. How much pressure do we carry on our heads? Why don't we feel it? Answer. The air pressure at the sea level is about 101 into 10 cube Pascal. This is the pressure that we carry on our heads. The cavities in our body are filled with air and arteries and veins are filled with blood. Their pressure balances the pressure due to the atmosphere. Hence, we don't feel the atmospheric pressure. Question number 4. Why does it happen? A. A ship dips to a larger depth in fresh water as compared to marine water. Answer. The buoyant force acting on a body is proportional to the density of the fluid in which the body is immersed. The density of fresh water is less than that of marine water. Hence, the buoyant force on a body in fresh water is less than that in marine water. Therefore, a ship dips to a larger depth in fresh water as compared to marine water. B. Fruits can easily be cut with a sharp knife. Answer. The effect of a given force varies inversely as the area of the surface on which the force is applied. The less the surface area, the greater is the effect of the force. The cutting edge of a sharp knife has less cross-sectional area relative to that of a blunt knife. Hence, it is easy to cut vegetables, fruits with a sharp knife. C. The wall of a dam is broad at its base. Answer. The pressure at a point in a liquid is proportional to the height of the liquid column above it. Hence, the pressure of water in a dam is much greater at the bottom of the dam than at the top. To withstand this high pressure, the wall of a dam is made stronger and thicker at the base than at the top. D. If a stationary bus suddenly speeds up, passengers are thrown in the backward directions. Answer. When passengers sit or stand in a stationary bus, they are in a state of rest. When the bus suddenly speeds up, the lower parts of their body in contact with the bus acquire the speed of the bus. The upper parts of their body, however, continue to be in the state of rest due to inertia. Hence, they are thrown in the backward direction. Question 5. Complete the following tables. Mass 350, volume 175, density. Using the formula density is equal to mass upon volume is equal to 350 upon 175 is equal to 2. Density is 2 kg per meter cube. Second example, volume 190, density 4. Using the formula density is equal to mass upon volume, mass is equal to volume into density is equal to 190 into 4 is equal to 760. Mass is 760 kg. Second, density of metal, density of water, relative density. Density of water 10 cube, relative density 5. Using the formula relative density is equal to density of metal upon density of water. Density of metal is equal to relative density into density of water is equal to 5u into 10 cube. Density of metal is 5u into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Second example, density of metal 8.5 into 10 cube, density of water 10 cube. Using the formula relative density is equal to density of metal upon density of water is equal to 8.5 into 10 cube upon 10 cube is equal to 8.5. Relative density is 8.5. Weight, area, pressure. Area 0.04, pressure 20,000. Using the formula pressure is equal to weight upon area. Weight is equal to pressure into area is equal to 20,000 into 0.04 is equal to 800. Weight is 800 Newton. Second example, weight 1500, area 500, Using the formula, pressure is equal to weight upon area is equal to 1500 upon 500 is equal to 3. Pressure is 3 Newton per meter square. Question number 6. The density of a metal is 10.8 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Find the relative density of the metal. Relative density of a substance is equal to density of the substance upon density of water is equal to 10.8 into 10 cube upon 10 cube is equal to 10.8. The relative density of the metal is equal to 10.8. Question number 7. The volume of an object is 20 centimeter cube and the mass is 50 gram. The density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Will the object float on water or sink in water? Solution. Density is equal to mass upon volume is equal to 50 gram upon 20 centimeter cube is equal to 2.5 gram per centimeter cube. The density of the object is greater than the density of water. Hence, the object will sink in water. Question number 8. The volume of a plastic covered sealed box is 350 centimeter cube and the box has a mass 500 gram. Will the box float on water or sink in water? What will be the mass of water displaced by the box? Solution. Density is equal to mass upon volume. The density of box is equal to 500 gram upon 350 centimeter cube is equal to 10 upon 7 gram per centimeter cube. It is greater than that of water, hence the box will sink in water. The volume of water displaced by the box is equal to the volume of the box is equal to 350 centimeter cube. Now, density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is equal to density into volume is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube into 350 centimeter cube is equal to 350 gram. The mass of water displaced by the box is equal to 350 gram. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.